I'm glad to show you our landing page for LearnLens. So as you can see, it has all the features, and this is the demo video of the extension, and you can download from Chrome from here as well as from here. So this will take you to the web store page. You can just add it to Chrome. You just click add extension. So yeah, it is added to Chrome. Now you can open any YouTube video. So yeah, as you can see, the panel for the extension appears and it starts generating. Thank you.